How to prepare kaki Ayam fried sweet potato. The ingredients: 1 sweet potato, 1 cup of rice flour, a bit of water, a bit of limestone water, 2 spoons of coconut milk, a bit of salt, and oil for cooking. First, peel the sweet potato and clean it off. Next, cut it into long, thin pieces. Pour the rice flour into the bowl and add the limestone water, coconut milk, salt, and water. Blend the mixture evenly and add in the chopped sweet potato. Mix all the ingredients. Heat the oil and fry the potatoes one at a time so it won't stick together. Turn it about during frying until it is yellow in color. Take it out to drain and it is ready to serve.